While I pause this one and VAter is not recorded here. Okay, but it will be there in a record, resume record.
Recording in progress.
Okay, very good. So guys, again we'll see. So we'll see again VA editor. Um, Sorry, I have a file. I have a file. File name is file one. Okay, so first of all, once you have a file, then read the file. You have a file, read the file. Now I want to edit the file. Means something there is a mistake in my file. I want to change something in my file. So vi file one. Vi file one. So whenever you put a vi file one, it opens vi editor in your terminal. Within your terminal only, it will opens like this. Okay, and it may have a some text. Okay, like this is file one like this. Some text will be there. Okay, something a line if it is there. Okay, now I want to edit the file. So I have to press I represent insert mode. When I press I, it is insert mode. So what is the use of this I for edit? Okay, for edit or insert text, for insert or edit the text, what are the meaning, what are the things it is there. Now you edited, editing is complete. Now I'm inserting a new line, for example a new line. I edited, completed, work is completed. Then I will put a escape mode. When you press escape, it go to command mode. I will tell what is command mode and all. Okay, so initially when you open, it is in a command mode only. So initially when you open this one, it is in a command mode only. Okay, so it will become more data, so then I didn't put it. Now escape, I went to the command mode, means I cannot edit now. Now what I have to do, press the colon, then give W or Q or both. So when you press the colon, it's a shift plus semicolon. So when you press the colon, okay. So W for save, Q for a quit. Now what happened when you press the colon, automatically end of the terminal, the colon will be appear here. And press W and Q, it means save and quit. Meaning is save and quit, like this. Okay, so this is the basics of your va editor, first part of va editor. Of course there is a lot of options in the va editor is there, so we'll see that one maybe now or later. So again, same thing I said, look at what are the files you have. So I have a file 1, file 2, file 3 is also there. Okay, take your file 1. So I edited, I have some data in this file. Okay, so using cat I can insert the data, but I cannot able to change the data. So you can see cat greater or double greater file 1. So what are the things I type, it will going to append to the existing one. Okay. Mm, append line using cat. Okay, so control D. So if you read cat file 1, see the line is appended it. I want to add a line in between these two things. or maybe I want to edit this particular line, or maybe I want to delete this line. I cannot use cat for to do that one. So what I have to do use it? I have to use nano or a I have to use nano or VI editor. So nano already we know, so then we are going for a VI editor. Okay, what to do? So guys, this is a task. I want to delete this line. I want to delete this particular line. Okay, or I want to add a line in between these two things, or maybe I want to change something in it. So we'll see what to do. Vi file 1, enter. I said I want to delete this file, right? So to modify or edit or insert the data, what to do? What is the first thing, guys? We have to do? Press I. Very good. You are in a insert mode. I'm using a delete button to delete the data. So I deleted the line. Backspace. Now line is deleted. Now I want to enter something. So I went to the cursor here. Enter. Hmm. A new line with VI. Okay. I added a new line. Maybe I want to change something. Nano is easy and simple. So I can modify with a. No, we cannot use a backspace to delete. Sir. You can use a backspace like this, but sometimes it won't work. I will tell you what how to delete and all if it is, which mode it will work and which mode it is not working. Delete is different. See the cursor is at S. I'm pressing delete button. Okay. If you press backspace like that. Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry. Undo, redo. So yeah, I done mistake. So again, insert add new line with vi. Okay, and simple. This is the thing we change and simple. Okay, so like this. So editing is undo, sir. Undo you escape you. I will tell that one. Okay, I will tell that one. Okay, so I'm in a insert mode now. I have to save it and come out of it. I edit the file, I enter the line, I change some lines. Okay, like that. I delete the lines also. So editing is completed. So what I have to do? Press escape. Escape. Now the insert mode from the bottom of the screen, insert mode is gone. I want to save and quit. I want to save and quit. Colon WQ. Save and quit. Enter. Now it is saved and quit. Check the file. Is it changed or not? So that is the main difference between cat and the VI editor. So what is the difference? Cat, we can insert the data using cat greater or double greater. Okay, but you cannot edit or alter the existing data here. Okay, so that is a thing. So that's actually a very good question. So guys, in interviews, they want to trick with the simplest questions. Obviously mind will struck there only. Okay, small, so cat is a very simple command, v is a very simple command. Who will think like, if I ask a question, so what is the difference between any mechanical guys, so what is the difference between petrol engine and diesel engine? Maybe you have to go to diesel. What is the difference between Intel processor and AMD processor architecture? So, what is the difference between Windows 10 and Windows XP, or maybe Windows 8 or Windows 11? Okay, we have to go to details. But this is a simple command. We know both the things. If you don't know, then it is definitely maybe something we can. We know cat command, we know vi command, both we use it. This is simple tricky command. Is what is the difference? Okay, that's actually you asked very good question. Okay, guys. So that is a VI editor. Clear? Okay, I want to show you once more Nano Editor. See, Nano Editor also a text-based editor, Nano File One. So you will open it, you modify Control X and save and quit it. Okay, that we already know. So this Nano Ultra we can able to use it, but VA is a much advanced than a Nano Editor. So why? Because there is a lot of options are there. We are also will see the lot of options inside. Okay, first one is I for a insert mode. We know that one. Okay, so here it is in a here. Already I have written what to do, but here it is. We list of the lines. We'll take it from here. Not only this, there is a few more options also there. So I, A, capital A, I, A, like this. So GG, capital G is also there. So we'll see that one. What is GG and capital G first? VI, file one. Open. Guys, when you open, by default, it is in a command mode only. When you open this, by default, it is a command mode only. Okay, if you put a I, then only it will go to insert mode. When you press escape, it is go back to the command mode. So remember that one. What it is? When you open a file, it is in a command mode. Okay, when you press I, it is go to insert mode. When you press escape, it go back to command mode again. Okay, now I'm in a command mode. I'm in a command mode. Guys, this is a okay. So look at here. Where is my cursor? At here, for example. Can you able to see my cursor? The green one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Now I am pressing a G, small g, two times. GG. GG. Where my cursor went? At the start. Start of the file. Start of the file. In starting all, it went to the start. Next. I am pressing a capital G. Where my cursor went? End of the line. End of the text. End of the file. Sorry. End of the file. Okay. End of the file. So wherever the cursor is located, wherever the cursor is located, okay, when you press GG, your cursor goes top of the file. So wherever the cursor is located, when you press capital G, cursor goes end of the file. End of the file. Got it? Yes. Once again, sir. Okay. Where is my cursor? One, two, three, four, five. Fifth line, right? My cursor is in fifth line. I am pressing small GG two times. GG. Cursor went to top of the file. Means starting of the file only. File starting. First line in the file. Okay. Now go to somewhere like this. Maybe I'm in a fourth line. I'm in a fourth line. I'm pressing Shift G. Single G only. Shift G means capital G. Shift G means capital G. It went to end of the file means last line in the file. Exactly say last line in the file. Last line in the file. Okay. Okay. Don't close this one. So this is important. Okay. Last line in the file. Next. Already we know insert. We'll see that one. Yeah. Tell me. Sir, why we should go to first and last line, sir? We are not inserting anything. So why are we using? Yeah. I want to insert in last line. I'm here. I want to insert something at last line or maybe after last line. What to do? Like this, right? Easy. This is very small one, small lines. You can go by using your up arrow, down arrow. You can use it, right? It's quite easy to use up arrow, down arrow for go to first line or a last line. Easy. Up arrow, down arrow button. Okay, but think about it. There is a 50 lines, 100 lines, 200 lines. So you'll go to next, 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 next. I will give you one immediate example. Last time we edited a file, right? Slash sudo drs. See, I done a mistake. A permission denied. Sorry, permission denied. It's a readable file. Permission denied. You have to quit. Q. Okay. You have to quit. Permission denied to access. Sudo vi slash etc sudo drs. Okay. So this is the file. How many lines are there? I want to go to last of the line. How to go? Like this, like this. Okay. I want to go from now. I want to go to start of the line, start of the file. First line I want to go. Right. You have to go like this. Think about it. It is very bigger file line than this one. Difficult. Okay. Difficult, right? This is the thing we removed the hashtag. Difficult, right? Like that. So what I want to do is I want to go to start of the line. What to do? Starting file starting first line. Small gg. First line. I want to go to bottom line, last line in the file. Capital G. That's it. Okay? Like that. No, don't save anything. Q. Q for quit only. We didn't edit anything, but better to quit. Again, our file. Okay? So this is GG. Let's look at my cursor, where my cursor is located. All are I and okay. My cursor at here it is. See, name. My cursor is at A. My cursor is at A or M. Anything, no problem. So we will go to A or M, anything like this. I'm pressing I, small I, and I'm okay. I'm in a insert mode. I'm typing where the cursor is inserted before A, before A. Again, escape. So where is my cursor? For example, my cursor is at A. My cursor is at A. I'm pressing I. Sorry, my cursor is at M. It is highlighted M only, but I'm pressing I. When I insert the data, data is inserted before M only. Before M only. See, before M only, not after M. Not after M. That is small I. Small I. When I press I, data will insert like this. Data will be inserted, but before I, like this. Okay, next. Escape. Command mode. I went back to the command mode. Now I'm pressing A. I'm pressing A. My cursor is at M. My cursor is at M. I'm pressing small a, small a, small a. Where my cursor went, it shifted from M to E. And I'm typing, the data is typing after M before E. Okay. So I press escape and U for undo. U for undo. Okay. Again, if you want other things, I will go. A and D is there now. A's, I's are everywhere. in my text file. I will go to R. Okay, create R. R is there. I'm pressing A, small a, and cursor is shifted from R to E automatically, and it is insert mode. You can see it is insert mode. I'm typing a data. It is data is inserted after R. After R. Okay. So cursor shifting is there. You see A. If you press A, it is also insert mode like this. After A, which cursor is shifted to the next character and you can insert the data. This is before character. At this is exactly at cursor. Actually, it is the cursor point is it stays in that character only, but it shifts the character to the next one. Okay, so maybe a little confused, but DG AI. Now I'm in here. I'm pressing capital I, capital I. Where my cursor? I will show you again. Start of the line. Start of the line. Very good. Okay, escape. Capital I, capital I. Start of the line. Start of the line. Okay. So I'm in middle of the line. I'm pressing capital A, capital A. Where my cursor went? End of the line. At the end of the line. End of the line. Very good. So you want to see again? Escape, capital A. Now, but if you observe, this is also insert mode commands only. Not only I, there is a lot of insert mode commands are there. So don't close this one. Capital I, start of the line. Capital A, end of the line. End of the line. Okay. Next. I'm here. I'm pressing O, small o, small o. Where my cursor went? Next line. Where my cursor went? Next line. Now not escape, so you have to press U. See. For example, I'm in here. Add new lines with a VI. My cursor is here. Pressing small o, small o. Next line. Next line. Next to the line. Okay, like this. Escape. For example, my cursor is at here. I'm pressing capital O, shift O. What happened? Above the line, above the cursor line, above the cursor line. Escape. When you are edited or entered a line, so you need some pause time. Means 1 second or 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 1 minute. Immediately press escape, guys. That is the best save point. Okay, and don't touch the keyboard when you are in a VI editor, because if you do mistake, it's a mistake. Eh, what is this? Chat box. So what I said, wo, small o is next to the line. So your cursor is here, and it go to the next to that line. Capital O is above the line. Okay, above. This is below. This is above. Okay, next to the line. Next line. Insert mode. Above the line. Okay, above the line. Insert mode. That is capital O. Guys, understand how many I told? Yes, sir. GG, capital G. I already I told. A, capital I, capital A, both. Okay. Now O, capital O. So first time you heard about a VI editor, you may feel it is confused. Now it is not a confusion, it is really punishment. Right? R, capital R, X, double X, sorry, capital X, DD, DW, D dollar. Not only this, there is a few more things are there. Already I told U means what is U? Undo. U means undo. First we will copy all this text. We'll put it in our text box. Okay. This is a capital R or a replacement kind of stuff. For example, you want to replace this N with some character. So like that, small r. Okay, so small r. I press a small r. Yeah, see, I press it two times. It is done like that. So escape U. Okay, I will take like a file is there. No F. I want to change only. I want to change the F only. Press R. I want to change to H. Okay, so F become H. Escape U. Uh, Ask me anything you want to change like VA editor, VA auditor. I want to change E to A. I want to change E to A. What to do? Take the cursor on it, press smaller and A. Okay, like that. Let's understand. Sorry, that's a mistake. Next, capital R. Capital R. I want to change complete one sentence or a thing. Say easy and simple is there. I put I remember hard instead of easy. I put a hard. Okay. What I'm doing is put a cursor at E. Press capital R. Press capital R is a replace. Automatically it is see replace is came. HARD. Escape. See, I replace the word. I replace the word with a using capital R. Again, this is hard. This is hard. I want to change hard to easy. The word I want to change it. Not a letter, not a one character. I want to change entire word. Capital R. Capital R. Shift R. EASY. Easy. Understand guys? Replacement. These things. Next X capital X. Small x capital X. So here it is. Replacement is smaller and capital R. Both are there for replacement. This is a character replacement. This is a word replacement. Means from cursor, entire text will be replaced. Not only one word, from cursor to from cursor position to next all position. Okay, entire position will be next entire thing will be replaced. Small r is at cursor only. At cursor. Only that character will replace. At cursor. This is from cursor to from cursor including cursor to enter next lines next line we can able to replace. I only shows only single word but we can replace entire text also. Next, small x and capital X. Small x and capital X. So escape. What is small x? We'll see. Where is my cursor? Easy at A. Now I'm pressing small x. X. What it is doing? It is deleting one. So it is act like a delete button. So I'm at A. I'm pressing the delete button. I'm pressing delete button. See, same as a delete button. Same as a delete button. So small x is same as a delete button. Next capital X. Okay. capital X. I'm at Y. I'm pressing capital X. Shift X. What it is? Same as a same as a backspace. I'm pressing backspace. What happening? See, this is backspace. Why it is shifting? Why it is not deleting? Because we are not in a insert mode. In insert mode only backspace will work. Insert mode only backspace is work. When you keep pressing backspace, the before a cursor, whatever the text it is, it will delete. Escape like this. Okay. So what is the use of backspace? Go to insert mode, press the backspace, then it will delete the text before the cursor. Okay. But if you press the you in a command mode, capital X, you are deleting the data, just like a backspace. Okay. So what is X? Small x. X is like a delete button. It deletes this side data. Okay. After years, it will delete like this. Capital X also deletes, but it's like a backspace. This side data. Okay. This side data. So it is like a backspace. Like a del, like a backspace. Okay. Next, DD. DD. I want to delete this line. I want to delete this line. Yeah, so much. Guys, up to now, you understand or not? Okay. You need to practice, guys. You need to practice that one. Then only you can able to understand. No problem. There's still some more are there. Okay. Some more are there. Okay. So again, just we'll go to little refresh up to now is I, capital A, capital I, capital A, capital A, small I, capital I, small o, capital O, R, capital R, small r, GG, capital G, U for undo, small x, capital X. Okay, anything else we use up to now? That's it. X, like that, right? We use it. So we'll see the DD also. Guys, I want to delete this particular line. I want to delete this particular line. I take the cursor to the line and press DD in escape mode only. Escape mode only. I delete the line. I delete the line. If I want it back, U to undo. So I want to delete this line. What to do? Press DD two times. DD. That's it. Okay. So guys, I want to delete two lines. Two lines. These two lines I want to delete. What to do? Two DD. Number two DD. Okay. I want to delete a line. Single line. One line. Two DD. Two lines. You want to delete two lines means cursor and the next line. The cursor line and the next line will delete it. If I put a 3DD, three lines means cursor line and the next three lines. We'll see. I am here. I, nano, three lines. 3DD. Three lines are deleted. Okay. So that is DD. Next, you want to delete a word. For example, I want to delete uh, this create word dw 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 to delete a word. dw delete a word. You want to delete a three words. One, two, three. So this is my cursor word, next word, and next word. So three words I want to delete. Number three, dw. Number three, dw. Or maybe I want to delete two words. Number two, dw. Number two, dw. So what I said, dw, one word, cursor word, only deleted. Two dw, two words, cursor word and next word. dw, cursor word and the next two words will be okay. Next one more is there, that is called d dollar, d and dollar. What happened? Cursor to end of the line. See it is. My cursor is at here. So what happened? I am doing d dollar from cursor to end of the line. From cursor to end of the line. Okay? D dollar from cursor to end of line. So this is uh, okay. Okay, so are you okay with the DDs? DD. Yes, sir. Very good. So what is the most important in VA editor for practicing DD, X, capital X, or capital R? What is the most important thing? You should know how to undo it. Otherwise, you have to type it again. Okay? Don't worry, don't worry. Still not completed. YY means yank. Yank means copy. P means paste. YY means what? What is YY? Copy. Copy. Oh, very good. It's single line copy. Only one line copy. You want to copy two lines, two YY. You want to copy three lines, three YY. Okay? Cursor line and next line. You want to paste a line P. You want to paste two lines P only. No difference. Okay? P to paste. YY to copy, P to paste. YY to copy, P to paste. We'll see that one also. Here it is. I want to copy this line. Next to the line is there no? I want to copy this particular line. Make sure you press escape. YY. I copied it. Where I want to paste, I will take it. So I took a bottom of the one P. See? I pasted. I want to paste here. Paste it. See? Escape. Okay. So YY to copy. I copied this line. I copied this line. Press YY. And where you want to paste? I want to paste next of this line P. Next of the line P. Okay. I want to copy these two lines. I want to copy these two lines. I want to copy these two lines. Two lines. How to copy two lines? Number two YY. So two lines are copied. This line and this line both are copied. Now I want to paste after this one. So both are pasted. I want to paste here. Both are pasted. I want to paste in a bottom. Pasted. Go to bottom and paste. Go to bottom and paste. Okay. Guys, understand? Y to copy, P to paste.
Yes, sir.
Very. I want to delete these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 lines are there. 11 new lines.
11 did.
Very good. 11 DD. It is not deleted. I put a 1 DD, I think. 11 DD. But
Sir, is it possible to delete alternate lines?
no, 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 we can't do it. Only cursor and next. Cursor and next only, like this. We can't delete in one single shot like this line and this line. We can't delete immediately. In single, we can't delete. So you have to go to butler line and you have to delete it. Example, you want to delete this one, DD. Okay. And you want to delete this line, DD. Like that, you have to go to cursor and delete that butler line. Okay. At a time, two lines you can't able to delete here.
Sir, how to copy particular word?
Butler word line we can copy. Word that is also a good one. Maybe there is an option is there, guarantee. Word copying also there. Maybe YW kind of stuff will be there. Word copy. Good. Try you can say that you will get it. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys understand YY to copy, P to paste, DD to delete a line, DW to delete a word, D dollar delete a line from the cursor. Okay, so that is a thing. Okay, up to now, satisfied with VA editor? Do you think VA editor is completed? Not completed. Yeah, you can copy two lines and pasting different places means how it is possible, guys? Think you copied these two lines. Yes, you you can paste here, you can paste here, but you copy these two lines and you paste first line here, last line here. It won't happen. Anyways,
Sir, we can paste unlimited times.
but you can paste in multiple times. One time copy, multiple times. Like above the line is there. YY to copy. And I went down. P to paste. Paste, 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 paste. P, 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 P. Multiple times you can paste. Sorry. Sorry. Something is happened. Okay. That's a don't save. Okay. So like this, unlimited times you can able to do it. Not completed. Okay. Here in this one more thing I want to show you. Escape colon slash. I'm searching a word called like create. I'm searching a word called like create. So try. So the cursor went to top. Why? Because create is there here. Create is there. See. Okay. File name 3. File name 3. Guys, I put my cursor in the top. Escape colon slash file 3. So where cursor went? Cursor went to this line only. See. Okay. Nano is here. Nano is here. So I put my cursor in some random place or a top. No problem. Escape slash nano. So the cursor went to that particular line. This is how you can able to search. How to search? Colon slash some name. Okay, search name. So compulsory check it. You went to down and you want to search the start of the line. Like there is a something like here. Yabo is there here. Colon slash above. Okay, it's showing some error like this, but it went to top. It is always such top to bottom, but you are already in a bottom, it go top. Okay, like that. Next, you can replace the text. So here is a create. I want to replace it. Okay, I want to replace the create. I replace the create with delete. What is pattern not found? Colon yes slash create slash I committed but G right is pattern not found create because it's already in the bottom. Okay. See, create is changed to delete, but another create is not changing. If you observe, another create is not changing. Only this create is changing because of this cursor. Cursor location is this one like that. Okay. So escape undo. See, my cursor is the top. I want to change this append to append. So I want to correct this sentence. Search append to change it to append. But my cursor is not in the same line. It's in the top. We'll try once again. Sorry. Something I done mistake. Cursor is in the top. I want to change append to append. Yes. Slash append slash append. For example, like this. Append. APPEND actually or anything. Okay. I want to replace pattern not found. So compulsory. Now I will try. I tried from here. So I went my cursor to this line. In this line only there is a thing. So S slash append. Append. Now it is changed. See? Now it is changed. Okay. Yes, like this. If in case, for example, if you look at file, file, file one, file three, okay. So this is also file. Like there is a word you want to change into some other name. It's a repeated one. You want to change it. It is very difficult to search. It is very difficult to search and replace. Search and replace is very difficult if you are doing like this, right? So each and every line you have to go and you have to change it. That's a difficult one. But what I'm doing is look at here colon percentage. Sorry, where is the percentage? My slash I want to change the file to folder. I'm changing the name file to folder. Okay. Percentage yes slash file slash folder. So wherever the file is there, it become folder or not. It is not changing here, but it is changed here. See, folder become folder one. Here also folder. This is not changing. I don't know why it is not changing. This is changed. See, okay. Again, escape view. This is the original one. Here it is. I have a create in the first line, create in a this line also. My cursor is in a different location, not at first line, not at this line. In this line, not in this line. In a random line only. Earlier, when I try to change append, if I am in a different location, it is not changing. It is not changing. Okay, but now it will see percentage. Yes, means entire file. Percentage yes means entire search entire file. Don't search in a your line. Search in a entire file. That is percentage. Yes slash create is my old name. Delete is my new name. Now can you see it changed here and it is also changed here. But when I doing that one, my cursor is not in a both the lines also. It is in a somewhere. So it will search from bottom to top, top to bottom, and replace the thing. So that is one. So this is search. So this is little bit tricky to get it, but you can able to change it. So colon yes slash your old name slash new name. But compulsory cursor must be in the particular line. Then only it will change. But here it is percentage yes slash old name slash new name. So wherever it is searches, wherever the file, wherever the file content, wherever the your name is located, the entire names, old names will be changed to new names. Okay, it is not required your cursor should be there in a particular line. So in entire file, wherever the old names are there, all the old names is changed to new names. So that is this one. Guys, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. That's it for today. Enjoy the day. Happy holiday, and one more is there. That is a happy new
Happy
year.
New Year.
Meet you on Monday.